In this video, we're going to select a work order and then move automatically to the portion of the map where those items were installed. Then it will automatically select the features associated with that work order, and then that'll allow us to then drill in and see the plant asset and construction unit data that was part of that work order's installation. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on the Jobs button here in the ribbon bar up at the top, and then I'm going to slide this button over here so it searches across all the work orders in the system. And then I'm going to start entering in the work order number down inside the box there. And it found the particular job that I was looking for, so I'm just going to go and double click on that. It then shows us a portion of the work order, some of the highlight information here down in the lower half of the screen. If I want to see all the details, I can click on the job attributes. I can also see layout information and other information about it. But for right now, what we want to focus on is going to the map where that was installed and then to select those features. I can do that with the Select Features button. So I just click on that, and you can see that it took us to a new portion of the map, and all the blue highlighted items here, those are all the features that had an installation on them that were related to this work order. And so all I need to do now that I have those selected is I can then click on the Feature Reports button up in the ribbon bar and then select the plant detail by global ID. So I'll double click on that, and it will then run the plant detail report, and it will show us everything that is now installed at that location. So I can see all these construction units. So we can see that those are cross arms, the pole itself, and some conductor, insulators, other things that were installed are all located here. I can see the account number associated to that, so what's going to affect the property records. I can see what was linear, not linear. I can see the lengths and the counts of those items, so the lengths for the wire, for example, the counts for the insulators, those kinds of things are readily available. And also things like the year of installation, and then also the taxing district where the installation took place.